The Milwaukee 48.0 3384-hole Dozer Universal Bimetal Hole Saw Kit stands out as an excellent all-around choice for cutting holes for recessed lights. It accommodates a range of sizes from 3/4 of an inch to 6 1/8 inches. Its versatility extends to various materials including drywall, wood, metal, plastic, plasterboard, and acoustic tile. Key features of this hole saw kit include bimetal teeth that efficiently cut through diverse materials, a universal adapter compatible with both drill and impact drivers, a guided center bit to prevent wandering during the cut, a pilot drill attachment ensuring precise hole placement, and a depth stop for maintaining consistent cut depth. Beyond the hole saw itself, several other tools can streamline the recessed lighting installation process. Firstly, a magnetic stud finder helps locate studs for secure fixture mounting. Secondly, a recessed lighting template assists in creating a guide for accurate hole cutting when installing multiple fixtures. Thirdly, a recessed lighting wire cutter and stripper allows safe and efficient cutting and stripping of electrical wires for quick connections. Fourthly, a recessed lighting junction box provides a secure and accessible electrical connection point. Fifthly, a flexible conduit connector simplifies the wiring of fixtures. Sixthly, a recessed lighting tester ensures proper fixture and electrical connections prior to full installation. To further enhance the installation process, here are some helpful tips. Plan your layout carefully. Utilize a template to ensure fixtures are evenly spaced and to avoid any hidden obstacles. Choose the right hole saw. Be sure to select a hole saw that matches the correct size required for your specific fixtures. Drill straight and slowly. Maintain a perpendicular angle between the drill and the surface, applying moderate pressure throughout the cutting process. Connect wire securely. Employ wire nuts and electrical tape to guarantee tight and reliable connections. Test fixtures before fully installing them. Plug in each fixture to verify proper operation before final mounting. Install fixtures tightly. Use screws or springs to ensure the fixtures are securely held in the ceiling. When working with electrical wiring, always adhere to safety precautions and local electrical codes. If you are unfamiliar or uncomfortable with electrical work, it is recommended to consult with a qualified electrician. Hole saws, like the Milwaukee Hole Dozer, are designed to create circular holes in various materials. The bimetal construction of the teeth offers durability and the ability to cut through different materials, making it a versatile tool for electricians and DIY enthusiasts. When using a hole saw, it is important to select the correct size for your application. In the case of recessed lighting, this means choosing a hole saw that matches the diameter of the recessed light fixture. The universal adapter allows the hole saw to be used with both standard drills and impact drivers, providing flexibility for different users and applications. The guided center bit helps to keep the hole saw on track, preventing it from wandering or drifting during the cut. This is especially important when cutting into materials like drywall or acoustic tile, which can be easily damaged. The pilot drill attachment is another feature that helps to ensure accurate hole placement. It creates a small pilot hole that guides the hole saw, making it easier to start the cut and preventing the hole saw from slipping. The depth stop is a useful feature for maintaining a consistent cut depth. This is important when installing recessed lighting, as you want the fixtures to sit flush with the ceiling. A magnetic stud finder is a valuable tool for locating studs behind drywall or other wall coverings. This allows you to securely mount the recessed light fixtures to the studs, ensuring that they are properly supported. A recessed lighting template is a simple but effective tool for guiding hole cutting. It typically consists of a piece of plastic or metal with a hole cut out to the exact size of the recessed light fixture. By placing the template against the ceiling or wall and tracing the outline of the hole, you can ensure that the hole is cut in the correct location and to the correct size. A recessed lighting wire cutter and stripper is designed to safely and efficiently cut and strip electrical wires. It typically features a built-in wire stripper that removes the insulation from the wires without damaging the conductors. This is important for making quick and clean electrical connections. A recessed lighting junction box provides a secure and accessible electrical connection point for the recessed light fixture. It typically features knockouts that can be removed to allow the wires to enter the box. A flexible conduit connector allows for easy wiring of the recessed light fixtures. It provides a flexible connection between the conduit and the junction box, making it easier to route the wires. A recessed lighting tester is a useful tool for ensuring proper fixture and electrical connections before installing the recessed light fixture. It typically features a light bulb that illuminates when the fixture is properly connected. When planning your recessed lighting layout, consider the size and shape of the room, the desired level of illumination, and any existing architectural features. Use a template to ensure that the fixtures are evenly spaced and avoid any obstacles, such as pipes or wires. When drilling the holes for the recessed light fixtures, hold the drill perpendicular to the surface and apply moderate pressure. Avoid drilling too quickly, as this can damage the material being cut. When connecting the wires, use wire nuts and electrical tape to ensure tight and reliable connections. Follow all local electrical codes and safety precautions. Before installing the recessed light fixtures, test them to ensure that they are working properly. This will save you time and effort in the long run. Use screws or springs to hold the fixtures securely in the ceiling. Make sure that the fixtures are properly supported and that they are not loose or wobbly. Always disconnect the power before working on any electrical wiring. Wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from injury. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, hire a qualified electrician to install your recessed lighting. Remember that proper planning and the use of the right tools can make the installation of recessed lighting a much easier and more efficient process. Safety should always be your top priority when working with electricity. Recessed lighting offers a sleek, modern look and provides excellent ambient lighting for various spaces. The selection of appropriate tools and the adherence to best practices are paramount for a successful installation. The Milwaukee Bulldozer Kit, with its versatility and included features, presents a solid foundation for tackling diverse recessed lighting projects. Furthermore, the auxiliary tools and tips discussed can significantly contribute to a streamlined and professional outcome. Always consult local electrical codes and prioritize safety throughout the installation procedure. Firstly, consider the layout and spacing of the recessed lights. Proper planning will ensure even illumination and aesthetic appeal. Secondly, utilize a template to mark the precise locations for the holes, preventing errors and ensuring consistent alignment. Thirdly, select the appropriate hole saw size to match the diameter of the recessed light fixtures. Fourthly, when drilling the holes, maintain a steady hand and apply gentle pressure to avoid damaging the ceiling or wall. Fifthly, connect the wires securely, following proper wiring techniques and utilizing wire connectors. Sixthly, test the fixtures before installation to confirm functionality and identify any potential issues. Seventhly, install the fixtures tightly, ensuring they are flush with the ceiling or wall and properly secured. Eighthly, always prioritize safety by disconnecting power before working with electrical components. Ninthly, wear appropriate safety gear such as gloves and eye protection. Tenthly, if unsure about any aspect of the installation process, consult a qualified electrician. The proper installation of recessed lighting can enhance the ambience and functionality of a space. By utilizing the right tools, following recommended practices, and prioritizing safety, you can achieve a professional and satisfying result.